First little job of the day. Got my C1 cutter. Got to cut a little bit of plastic pipe, this poly pipe, which is white pipe here. So I'll be putting that pipe onto a kitchen trap. So let's go. You know the great thing about London is that I could just walk to the next job. It's just over that way. Let's go. Oh, I forgot what house it was. First stop today, suppliers, London Plumbing. Right, so we're just stopping off getting something from the stores quickly, our personal stores, then we're hitting the road again, back to the job, well, to the job now. Let's go. You think what? I'm looking at you, innit? I'm in the back of the van. Do you know what it's like when you're looking for stuff? I'm not even gonna show you the other side, but...
Alright, no worries. Look at these. Thank you. These?
Yep. I'll bring them.
Yeah, but clean it easier. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, God.